Good afternoon. Good afternoon, and welcome everybody to Paul's Monday Market Update number 231 for Monday, 13th of July 2026. I hope you're all well. Hope you can hear me. Hope you can see the slides as well. If you are in the room, it'd be good to know that the technology is working for us rather than against us. Fabulous to have people here. Hope you've had a good weekend. Hope you've enjoyed some of those sporting results over the weekend. Hope you're ready for what is going to be a pretty busy week ahead in markets. Okay, it's basically it's a week where kind of markets going to enter a bit of a crucial week as earnings seasons begin and the inflation returns to center stage and a whole host of other things. Okay. For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, looking at a few charts of interest at your watch lists, and then a look at the live markets. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It's me sharing with you what I'm looking at, which may be of relevance or interest to yourselves. And as always, if you want a little bit more help and support, okay, to sustain performance during the next quarter, the VTP Trader Accountability Group is running, helping you build kind of discipline, accountability, and consistency in your own trading. As always, if you've got questions, you can ping me, okay? You can look at the bit.ly code or use that QR code to find out a bit more information. All right, let's have a quick look at dollar. I know I appreciate it overran a little bit, but as I said, I'm always just trying to cram and share in as much as I possibly can with you. So this is dollar profile here. What's it showing us? Okay, Aussie on the daily, Euro on the daily, cable daily, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar, dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar index. Okay, so a few interesting charts to look at, but as always, let's start with the dollar index. We pushed our way through to these 26 highs, okay, and have kind of come back, but we're still holding a kind of above 150, I'd say. If we go down to the daily chart, I talked about how, was this just a little bit of a kind of a bull flag that was building up there? I still see this kind of look at this daily 20 period moving average, all right, acting as support. See how it is there, okay? It's still acting as support there, okay? Naturally, the kind of numbers are a little bit, I suppose, shaken about because of the events of the weekend. But then, as I said, you've got Vosh testifying, you've got CPI and PPI numbers, all right, okay, coming out over the next couple of days. We've got all those earnings, and you've got that geopolitical tension. All of it can play its particular part. Certainly, interestingly, we kind of gapped up on the dollar, but if you look, we kind of came back. All right, we came back, all right, this week and sort of dropped and fell down. And I wonder whether that is kind of, during the weekend, everyone's kind of a bit war on risk off sentiment, and then basically, then it sort of drops its way there. Okay, and that has had its impact there itself. Interestingly, okay, that has had an impact on some of those kind of dollar events. All right, so. But what we're going to do is, I think we're going to have a quick look at CAD anyway. That's the one I wanted to look at there. Okay, so I would be just keeping an eye on that dollar index all this week. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at. That seeing where it takes its lead from, and how that plays out. Okay, and how that knocks onto some of the majors.